Hi guys, I'm Emmy Lou and today I'm going to show you how to do a bird. I want to do a bird that's like a robin, but it can be any bird that you want to create. So I'm going to use, you don't need this, but I'm going to use some spray paint for the background. If you haven't got that, doesn't matter. And I'm going to use acrylic paint and I'm going to use a piece of paper to begin with, always good, piece of paper, pencil, and anything that you want to colour your bird in. So it could be watercolour pencil, it could be charcoal, it could be whatever. Actually, just gonna look through my pile. I did a bird the other day. So cute. Oh, look at the bird. I really love him. He's so chunky. I think I might have shown you it before. I'm loving this one. I think it's really important. Like, I've done 365 of them, paintings, and I would say, like my other video, I said probably like 75 out of them. So it's awesome when you do loads of pictures because you end up thinking, oh, I really like that. That's kind of a cool one. Nice black background. So we're going to do a pink one today, but you can do any colour you like. Okay, I'm trying not to get my jumper painted as well because I get everything painted. Right, let's go. Right, so what you need is paper, pencil, let's go. Right, I'm going to start off with rainbow shape. Rainbow shape. Then you're going to do this. You're going to go, It looks weird. It looks like a, kind of like a, reminds me of a banana. So rainbow, and then like that. And what you want to do is on the rainbow, you want to start doing this. So touch this bit here. You can do some jaggedy bits because the bird isn't just a banana-y shape. So little jaggedy bits just here and there because you're trying to make him look fluffy. Feathery, not fluffy, because that'd be a slightly different bird. Okay, so you're going to go take the rainbow, and you're going to go down a little bit. Then you're going to do this. Give him a smile that's actually not his smile, but give him a smile. And then you want, next to the smile, you want a really cool eye. Now, I love doing any eye you like. Some people do anime eyes, and some people do cartoon eyes, which is anime, I guess. But any eye you like, I'm going to do a realistic eye, just because, actually, do you know what? I'll do that type of eye, because it's kind of different. And then the beak, you're going to touch this bit here and go, and go out quite a bit actually. I don't know if you can hear any music in the background. I've got some peaceful music. And then you're going to do this, roundabout like that. Think about it as a carrot. Don't know why, but we're doing Roald Dahl, the BFG, and his nose looked like a carrot when we drew it. Right, underneath the carrot, we're going to just touch this bit here and go down. End up looking like he looks a bit like a moody pigeon, which is fine. Right, this bit's really important. You're going to just touch this bit here and go, just a line. Let's just do this to begin with because I don't want to confuse you. So you're going to just do a line, then you're going to go down. This bird is sitting on a big branch. I was thinking of doing him sitting on a present or something, but we can just do this for now. Okay, and then underneath this bit here, you're going to go, whoa. You're going to go, whoa. This is where his feathers go. So you're just going to join up there. So it goes, and then, it's his wing. I forgot what it was called. It's his wing. So he's going to have a nice big wing. And if you want, you can put feathers. I don't really worry about that right now, but you could do. And then here, you just want to show him having a colourful breast. So this is his breast area, and it will be like yellow or whatever you like. I think my one was, man, where are you? Mine was like whitey yellowy bit. I just love the chunky ones. Oh no, sorry, my bracelet always catches on my jumper. So then you're going to touch this bit here. So you've got that line, just go down and go. It's just a feathery bit that belongs to his bottom bit. Okay, and then you want some skinny legs. They've got the tiniest legs, birds, haven't they? So you just want to decide whereabouts. Normally it's kind of in the middle of the body, and you're going to just do blob, blob. Don't worry too much about legs. I always kind of leave the legs out, like the can't even think of the word. The feet, claws. Okay, right. Anyway, moving on. Right, then you want to just do a line there, line there. Right, we are now going to paint it. This is how easy it can be when you're drawing something. Right, my bird is going to be, what was that one? Black, and I might do a bit of black. Right, I'm going to do black. Oh man, I've just got covered in paint. I'm going to do black and yellow, like this bird. You can do any colour. But I'm going to do the yellow first, because obviously that's the lightest, so that's a good way of doing it. Okay. Do you know what? I might put my birdie, which is there, I might put him here just so I can see. Although he's a different kind of... Right, I'm just going to have a... Do you know what? You can just invent it. As in, just make it up. I'm literally making this bird up, which is actually quite fun. So we're going to do a bit of yellow there. And then I'm going to do black. And he's going to have a black head. Whoa. So I'm going to go round the eye. So you want your paint now. And if you haven't got paint, you want your... Whoa, his eye's getting smaller by the minute. Oh, man. Oh. Maybe he doesn't need to see too much, that's fine. Right, as you can see, I'm going a bit messy. Whew. Okay, I've done the black there, but what you could do then, really cool, is dip the paintbrush that's got black on in the water, then paint the rest, but with a watery colour, because that makes it blend more. And it's almost as like, now you can create the feathery bits, and I'm doing it, oh, I'm doing it quite fast, but I do it slow to show you. It's like I can create the feathery bits by putting the white on there. Can you see that? I hope you can. I think it's quite shiny because of the light I'm using. Okay. Right. The wing, I'm going to get black on my brush. I mean, I don't even know if this bird exists, but that's fine. Let's do a tropical different bird. Dark black, all here. This is how I do it, by the way. You don't have to do it like this. I'm going to rinse out in my disgustingly dirty water, but it's fine. And then I'm going to spread the black over. So it's almost like it's got different shades. It looks more real. Now, because this is white, this bit, I'm going to use my dirty brush, and I'm just going to go round here, do the legs. I'm going to clean the brush as best I can, but it's a bit tricky. And then I'm going to blend, just means like mix, like that. I'm going to blend that so it makes the body look kind of 3D. It's a really cool effect if you can try and do it. The beak's going to be orange. Doesn't have to be, by the way. I've got like the biggest brush in the world, so I might change brushes. Because you do not want to be... you know, you want to be doing it neat, really. I've got like the most unsteady hand today as well. I was ill the other day. Oh, so ill. You know when you wake up and you just feel so ill. And I cut my finger. So I haven't been doing very well. But everything is good. And then you want... I'm going to do a blue... Oh, no. Okay, I've just got paint on my favourite jumper. Maybe don't paint in your favourite jumpers. Oh, then we're going to do a blue bubble. I'm only doing this because, well, do you know what? I don't know about you, but with art, I like to do what I want to do. Okay. Do you know what? To make it stand out, get a bit of white. Do a little bit of white on his little cute bit there. And then if you want to do the feathers, I've forgotten what everything's called. Get some white on your brush, thick white, and use the pointy bit of the brush. I always face it upwards. If you're on a piece of, like if you're on a table, face it upwards to the sky and only use the tip, like the very, very tip. If you're obviously like me on the side, then you're going to be doing it on the side. But you want to get a thin line to do the feathers, and that will look really, really cool. He's dripping, which is fine. I quite like the drip effect. Got some more yellow. You know what? Might do a bit of an orange. I've got a bit of an orange there because I'm going to do round the edges and blend in a bit of the edges of orange. There we are. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. I think I've kind of done him, which is kind of bizarre because it's quite quick, isn't it? Well, maybe not for you, but it's quick for me. I'm just adding a few details. Sorry, I didn't tell you. Adding a few details. Feathery bits. Right, what I'd like to do, oh my gosh, you know what would be really cool? You could put some music notes. Ah, let's do that. He's singing. He's singing. So circle, line, flick. You could do a circle. Whoa. Love music, but I'm not very good at playing anything, so I'm not sure what that's even called. Might be a treble clef or something. I doubt it is because it's a 2, not 3. Right, and then you've got these ones. I don't know what these are. Okay, so you could be singing. That's really cool. I'm wondering if we should do a bit of dark there if you want. So you could put a bit of black there, rinse out, smudge it. This might be a bit technical, so just ignore me really. Once you've done that, all we need to do really, do you know what I'd like to add? A bit of white on my brush. It'd be quite fun to do some feathers. If you want to, you could turn it into more of a cartoon and just give him some some eyelashes or whatever. That'd be really, really cool. So just make it your own, make it look cool. And then I've got my pink spray paint, which I always, I always end up overspraying. So I'm going to give it a whirl. If you haven't got spray paint, do not worry. You can use paint. So I'm just going to spray. Let's have a look. All right, I'm going to get a piece of paper. I'm going to fold it in two. I'm going to touch, oh my word. Maybe I'll touch that bit there. Oh, I like. So there's a bit of background. Oh, I like it. I like it. It's quite hard to do if I'm honest, and I'll probably get it all over my favourite jumper. So that's just a bit of spray paint there. You want to cover whatever you don't want sprayed, really. I think that would do. That would do. I like that. I like it. I like it. So once you've done that, once you've done the spray paint, if you've got spray paint, most of you probably don't because it's quite messy. But once you've done that, if you want to, try paint. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to try some light, I don't know what this colour is, but I'm mixing a bit of blue, bit of white, bit of yellow, and I'm going to put it there. Gosh, this might be a bit full on. I'm doing it quite watery, so I'm putting it right on the edges. This is like the spray paint, putting it right at the edges, getting a watery brush, and I'm almost like taking it out with the watery brush. Then get a bit of tissue, and it's almost like you're pulling the edges away. Give it a go. It looks awesome, actually. Well, I like it, you know, I like stuff like that. I love stuff to do with, you know, creating different backgrounds. It looks kind of funky. Let's do some on the top. So a bit of blue. I'm going to do a bit of weird bluey green. Everything's going to drip, which is completely fine. Right, okay. Let's give it a go. So the secret is, I like when things go in the distance, you know, they disappear. That's kind of cool. I've kind of coated his head by accident so we can rub that off. So what do you think? What do you think, guys? I personally like this effect. Some people don't. Some people like to colour the whole thing. So you know, it's bonfire night. This could be a bird sitting on a tree admiring the bonfire fireworks. So you could do fireworks. You could literally, I'm going to do a red one up here. I'm going to do a red bit there. Red bit. Okay, let's see how this might work. And watery coming out like a sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. Okay, get a tissue before it dries. You have to do it before it dries. Ooh. Whew. Okay. Okay, look, there's a firework. Woohoo! Slightly going away. Okay, right. If you like this video, like it and subscribe, share, and I will be doing, it'd be really fun to do a wintry Christmassy one. So happy painting, happy drawing, and yeah, continue to let me know what you're drawing, what you want me to draw, and I will see you soon. Mwah!